you are denying me water. Hey, I want this water. You are denying me water. Hey. What from the street? I'm in the street. Hey, Moon. You know what? Don't do that. I'll push you. I don't without pipe you to say the same way. You can't deny me water. You are denying me water. Quite see. You are denying me water. Really? This is exactly what I was saying. Exactly. The Roman to have a Galani to Wata or Hanagaon. That's my cousin. It's often Tegela meat because the Moreto doesn't Tegela meat. How come would you now but I won't Tegela meat? You can't. You can't. You want to get me down on a little speak that up for any one day.